You may not know it by looking at my business today, but I am an epic failure. I fail every single day in just about everything that I do. And today I'm going to talk about how I turn those failures into success. When you're looking at Facebook or YouTube or just about any other medium out there, you typically see the highlight reel of somebody's business or somebody's life. You're not seeing what goes on behind it, the struggles that they've had the years before they were on some kind of social media platform, or even some of the things that impact them on a daily basis. I'm here to tell you that every one of us goes through some kind of failure on a regular basis, on a daily basis, sometimes even an hourly basis. I am one person that can humbly tell you that I fail at just about everything I do, at least the first time out. Now, I am at this point in time fairly successful in the real estate business. And at one time in a previous life, I was successful in the real estate business as well. But there was a time in the middle of that I actually lost everything. During the 2008 economic crash, I proceeded over a series of years to lose just about every dollar I had. There was a point in my life where I was actually going to the gas station and buying gas with quarters, actually buying a gallon of gas with quarters, going to the grocery store with a calculator, playing Russian roulette with the water and the lights, trying to hold it all together, thinking, fooling myself into the fact that I was successful because I was hustling and I wasn't letting it all completely fall apart, right? I was keeping my kids fed. I was in this illusion of being great because the world was falling around all around us, and I wasn't falling apart completely. The reality was I was falling apart completely. I was losing everything. I was desperate. I was depressed. I was broke, and I was broken. I had a moment in that time period where I was at my lowest point. I'd sunk into a chair for about a year watching TV, pretending I was looking for a job. I was actually looking for work, but I wasn't getting hired because I didn't have enough either qualifications for this job or I was overqualified for that job. And it was really a dark time. I was sitting there on my laptop looking through Facebook and social media, and I decided to post an ad on Craigslist. And the ad read basically, experienced house flipper looking for a partner that can partner with me on deals, must be close enough to have a cup of coffee. I had about 6 people respond to that. One person I ended up meeting and having coffee with. Took me almost 2 months to get this person to commit to funding me on a deal, but I got them to commit and I found a deal. From that one deal that I did, we made 20 grand and I had to split it with the guy. I had $10,000 that was gone before I ever had it in my hands. But I had proof of concept again. I had proof that it worked again. And I was able from that one deal to build the business that I have today. Now, how did I turn failure into success? One is I didn't let life keep kicking me when I was down. At a certain point, I took action. I took a step forward. I took a step into my future. And as I did that, I took all the lessons from the life before, right? When I was making money and I was balling and I was crazy and I was spending money and I had BMWs and nice clothes and nice house and trips. Took all those lessons from being an idiot and not having a real business, and I applied those lessons I learned into the business I have today. Today I have a business that I am gone probably more than I'm actually at, and it's still successful. I was gone in the last 90 days, I've been gone probably almost 2 months, and I'm still successful. In fact, after leaving today, after shooting this video, I'm going to leave today and I'm going to go camping with my family for the rest of the week. And today is Wednesday. So, I mean, that just goes to show you that you can build something real, right? But you got to build it right. And I built it right because of the lessons I learned. So I guess the point I'm trying to make here is that every failure is a lesson. It's figuring out a better way of doing something. You're not going to know what success looks like until you take action and you make a misstep. I used to be terrified to be in front of the camera until I put myself in front of the camera. I used to be terrified to be behind a mic until I put myself behind a mic. I used to be scared to make decisions about hiring until I hired and had to fire. So all those things that I'm good at now, I became good at from the lessons of making mistakes. I am very passionate about being a failure. I'm very proud that I'm a failure, because failure is what's made me successful. And I guarantee you, if you take massive imperfect action, you're going to find success yourself. It's important to me that you get value out of these videos, and we're going to do our best to produce videos that you want, need, and will be able to actually put to use in what you're doing today. So make sure you're posting your questions below. I am going to personally respond to those questions, and then we're going to take those questions, those needs, and we're going to fulfill them through video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you're getting updates. We're releasing a lot of these, and definitely check out some of the other content I have out there on Facebook and some of the other platforms. Have a wonderful day.